Welcome! If you're tired of getting emails every time Instagram rolls out a new feature, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn off those email notifications so your inbox stays clean and focused on what matters most to you. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and head over to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, look to the top right corner for the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon. Tap on that. A menu will slide out from the side. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. This section is where you can customize almost every aspect of your Instagram experience, including notifications. Next, find and tap on Notifications. This menu controls all the alerts you get from Instagram, both in the app and through email. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Email Notifications. Tap on it to open up your email notification preferences. Here, you'll see several options for the types of emails Instagram can send you. Look for the option that says Learn about new Instagram features. This is the setting that sends you emails whenever there's a new feature or update. To stop receiving these emails, simply toggle off the switch next to Learn about new Instagram features. Once it's off, Instagram will no longer send you emails about their latest updates and features. That's it. You've just taken control of your inbox and stopped those unwanted notifications. If you ever change your mind and want to stay updated, you can always come back and turn this setting back on. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and Instagram tutorials. See you in the next video.